Yeah, despite all the facts about the Igbos and everything, Igbos they are still good people. Oh. Our Igbo brothers they are very good people. Yes. Despite the fact that we used to betray, we used to criticize and say all sort of things within ourselves. Within us, we are still good people. We still want to help. We still want to help. But we are not showing it out. We are not showing that one out. We just want that one to be so low that people will not notice. And it has been killing us. Yeah, it has been killing us so well. Because every time you will just see us, we will just be there doing our thing, loving ourselves. But as time goes on, we will just say, nah, I'm tired, I'm tired. Let this thing just happen. Let it just happen. That time a lot will not spoil. But deep down, you say, well, let me just give it a try. You still want to show love. You still want to connect with your brothers. But you will be finding it very difficult to show it out. It will be as if you are weak. But no, you are not weak. We all are strong. We are all strong. The Igbos, if we come together and do what we want to do, the world will hear our voice. Yes. That is just what I say. Let me come and tell you guys. Igbos are great people. We are great people. Nigerians are seeing it. The world is seeing it. That is why everything that concerns the Igbos is heard all over the world. Trust me on that. The world is hearing. They are seeing the manifest it. The manifestation of it is coming up, but not that strong enough. So they won't want to believe us until we unite again. Nigeria has been in bondage. The Igbo man came out. He wanted to change the case. He wanted to make Nigeria better, but they rigged it. They all know. Even though it's not possible. Yes, they gave us the third position. Have that ever happened before? A new party that just came out skyrocketed to the third position. That is the calling. We are having the calling, but the world will just say, let us not regard these people. They are foolish. They don't love themselves. See as they are just doing anyhow, killing themselves. That is what they will say. See, because of money I gave that one, now he has run and betrayed this one. Because of what I heard about that one, now he has run and spoiled something. Yeah, because of what they told him. Maybe. But nevertheless, we will still talk as a day. Yeah, we will still talk as a day. Because if we not talk, we are the dump one. We start by talking. By talking, we keep growing. Pouring it out, letting it go from you. They are giving you the mouth to talk. As they are saying their own, you say your own. Yes, say your own. Before you know, your own will be louder than their own. For sure. Your own will be louder. You'll be saying it every time, saying it. Before you know, you have burst. Don't blow. Now God grace. Now say the apple. Now say the apple. So ma tell you, focus on your own. Focus on yourself, and you will see a better change for yourself. I still remember my bro, man. Yeah. I should cut that one out eventually. I still remember your boy, the Anonymous. Peace and love.